Hello everyone, and welcome back to Chill English Channel, the place where learning English is simple, relaxed, and fun. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jake. Hello everyone, we're very happy you're here with us today. Maybe you're listening while drinking coffee, walking outside, or studying English.
Wherever you are, thank you for joining us. Jake, how are you today?
I'm doing well. I had a busy morning, but now I'm ready to relax and talk.
That sounds good. What made your morning busy?
Well, I had to go to the supermarket.
Ah, the supermarket. That's actually perfect for today's topic.
Exactly. Today we're talking about a trip to the supermarket.
Everyone goes to the supermarket, so it's a great topic for learning everyday English.
Yes, because supermarkets are part of daily life.
You buy food, drinks, and many things you need at home.
Before we start, we have a small message for our listeners.
If you enjoy these conversations and they help you learn English, please give this video a like.
And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Chill English Channel.
We post simple English conversations to help you improve your listening and speaking.
And you can share this episode with a friend who is also learning English.
Okay, Jake, let's talk about the supermarket.
First question, do you like going to the supermarket?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Only sometimes? Yes, I like buying food, but I don't like crowded supermarkets.
Ah, yes, when there are many people.
Exactly. When the supermarket is full, it can feel stressful.
I understand that. I prefer going early in the morning.
That's a good idea.
When it's early, the store is quiet.
And the shelves are full.
Yes, everything is fresh and organized.
What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Mostly food for the week.
Like fruits and vegetables?
Yes, fruits, vegetables, bread, eggs, and milk.
The basic things.
Exactly. What about you?
I usually start with fruits and vegetables too.
What kind of fruit do you like?
I love apples and bananas.
Bananas are great because they're easy to eat.
And they are healthy.
I also like strawberries.
Strawberries are delicious.
But sometimes they are expensive.
That's true.
What vegetables do you buy?
Tomatoes, carrots, onions, and sometimes broccoli.
Broccoli is very healthy.
Yes, but not everyone likes it.
That's true.
Do you ever buy snacks at the supermarket?
Of course.
Like what?
Chips, cookies, and sometimes chocolate.
Chocolate is my weakness.
Mine too.
Supermarkets always put snacks in very tempting places.
Yes, especially near the checkout.
That's a clever idea.
When you're waiting to pay, you see all the snacks.
And suddenly you want chocolate.
Exactly.
Do you make a shopping list before going to the supermarket?
Sometimes.
Why only sometimes?
Because sometimes I forget.
A shopping list is very helpful.
Yes, it helps you remember everything you need.
And it helps you avoid buying too many snacks.
That's true.
When you don't have a list, it's easy to buy extra things.
That happens to me often.
Me too. How often do you go to the supermarket?
Usually once a week.
Same for me. I like buying enough food for the whole week.
That makes life easier.
Exactly.
But sometimes I still need to go back.
Because you forgot something?
Yes, usually milk.
That happens to many people.
Milk disappears quickly in my house.
Do you prefer small supermarkets or big supermarkets?
I prefer big supermarkets.
Why?
Because they have more choices.
That's true.
You can find many brands and products.
I sometimes prefer small stores.
Why?
They are quieter and easier to walk around.
That makes sense.
Big supermarkets can feel overwhelming.
Especially when you're hungry.
Shopping while hungry is dangerous.
Yes, you buy everything.
Exactly.
Okay, Sophia, in the next part, we can talk about what happens inside the supermarket.
Yes, like pushing the shopping cart, finding products, and asking store workers for help.
And of course, the checkout.
That's an important moment.
All right, everyone, let's continue our trip to the supermarket.
Yes, now we are inside the supermarket.
The first thing I usually do is grab a shopping cart.
Or sometimes a shopping basket if I only need a few things.
Good point. A basket is easier when you are buying only a few items.
But if you plan to buy many things, a shopping cart is better.
Yes, because it has more space.
Do you ever take a cart and then realize you only bought 3 things?
Yes, that happens to me sometimes.
Then the cart feels very big and empty.
Exactly. It feels a little funny.
After taking a cart, I usually walk slowly through the supermarket.
Supermarkets are usually organized in sections.
Yes, like the fruit section, vegetable section, dairy section, and frozen food section.
That helps people find things easily.
Do you ever have trouble finding something?
Sometimes, especially when the store changes the layout.
Oh yes, when products move to a new place.
Then suddenly you cannot find anything.
When that happens, what do you do?
I usually ask a worker in the store.
That's a good idea.
For example, I might say, "Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?"
Or, excuse me, where is the rice section?
Store workers are usually very helpful.
Yes, they know the store very well.
After getting a cart, I often start in the produce section.
Produce means fruits and vegetables.
Exactly.
I like choosing fresh fruits.
Me too. Sometimes I check if the fruit looks ripe.
What do you usually look for?
I check the color and the softness.
For example, bananas that are yellow are usually ready to eat.
Yes, green bananas need more time.
What about apples?
I like apples that are firm and shiny.
Me too.
Sometimes supermarkets let you weigh fruits and vegetables.
Yes, there is often a small scale.
You put the fruit on the scale and print a price label.
Then you stick the label on the bag.
After fruits and vegetables, I usually go to the dairy section.
Dairy means milk products.
Yes, like milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt.
I often buy yogurt.
There are so many flavors.
Strawberry, vanilla, blueberry.
Sometimes it's hard to choose.
That's true.
Another thing I notice in supermarkets is prices.
Yes, many people compare prices before buying something.
Some brands are more expensive.
And some brands are cheaper.
Do you usually buy expensive brands or cheaper ones?
Usually the middle option.
That sounds smart.
Sometimes the cheaper brand tastes just as good.
That's true.
Do you ever look for discounts?
Yes, of course.
Supermarkets often have special offers.
Like, buy one, get one free.
Those offers can save money.
But sometimes they make you buy more than you need.
That's true.
For example, if cookies are on sale, I might buy 2 boxes.
Even if you only wanted one.
Exactly.
That's how supermarkets encourage people to buy more.
Another interesting section is the frozen food section.
Yes, the place with frozen vegetables, frozen pizza, and ice cream.
Ice cream is always tempting.
Especially in the summer.
Do you buy frozen food often?
Sometimes frozen vegetables are very convenient.
Yes, they're easy to cook.
You just heat them in a pan.
That saves time.
After frozen food, I sometimes go to the snack aisle.
The snack aisle is dangerous.
Why dangerous?
Because I want to buy everything.
Chips, cookies, candy.
Exactly.
Supermarkets know people love snacks.
That's why there are so many choices.
Do you prefer sweet snacks or salty snacks?
I think I prefer salty snacks.
Like chips?
Yes.
I prefer sweet snacks.
Like chocolate?
Yes, especially dark chocolate.
Chocolate is hard to resist.
Very true.
Another important aisle is the beverage section.
Beverages means drinks.
Exactly.
Water, juice, soda, tea.
And sometimes coffee.
I always check if I need more coffee at home.
Coffee is essential.
Definitely.
Sometimes I also buy sparkling water,
Sparkling water is very refreshing.
especially with lemon.
Yes, that tastes great.
After walking through many aisles, my cart usually becomes full.
Mine too.
Then it's time for the final step.
The checkout.
Yes, paying for the groceries.
In the next part, we can talk about the checkout experience.
Like waiting in line and paying for the food.
And maybe the famous question, paper bag or plastic bag?
Exactly.
All right, let's finish our trip in the supermarket.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, everyone, now we are at the final step of our supermarket trip.
Yes, after walking through many aisles and filling our cart with food, it's time to go to the checkout.
The checkout is where we pay for everything we bought.
Usually there are several checkout lines in a supermarket,
Sometimes the lines are short,
but sometimes they are very long.
especially in the evening or on weekends.
Yes, many people go shopping after work.
When I see a long line, I try to find a shorter one.
Me too. Everyone is looking for the fastest line.
But sometimes the shortest line is not the fastest.
That's true.
Sometimes a person in front of you has many items.
Or there might be a problem with the payment.
Exactly.
Some supermarkets also have self-checkout machines.
Yes, where customers scan their own items.
Do you like using self-checkout?
Sometimes I do.
Why only sometimes?
Because sometimes the machine doesn't work well.
That can be frustrating.
Yes, and then a store worker needs to help.
I usually prefer the regular checkout.
Where the cashier scans your items?
Yes, it feels easier.
The cashier takes each item and scans the barcode.
Then the price appears on the screen.
Do you usually pack your groceries yourself?
Sometimes, yes.
Many supermarkets ask, "Would you like a bag?"
Exactly.
And sometimes they ask, "Paper bag or plastic bag?"
Some people also bring their own reusable bags.
That's good for the environment.
Yes, reusable bags help reduce plastic waste.
I often bring my own shopping bags.
That's a good habit.
After everything is scanned, the cashier tells you the total price.
Then you pay,
How do you usually pay?
usually with a credit card.
Me too.
Some people prefer paying with cash.
And some people pay using their phone.
Technology is changing the way we shop.
After paying, the cashier gives you a receipt.
The receipt shows everything you bought.
Do you usually check your receipt?
Sometimes, just to make sure everything is correct.
That's a good idea.
After that, we take our bags and leave the supermarket.
And finally, go home.
When I get home, I unpack the groceries.
Yes, everything needs to go to the right place.
Fruits go on the counter.
Vegetables go in the refrigerator.
Frozen food goes in the freezer.
Bread usually stays on the kitchen table.
And snacks go in the snack drawer.
I like organizing everything after shopping.
Me too.
It makes the kitchen look clean and ready.
And it feels good to know you have food for the week.
Exactly.
Grocery shopping can take time, but it's an important part of daily life.
And it's also a great topic for learning everyday English.
Because these are words people use all the time.
Words like cart, checkout, receipt, and grocery.
And phrases like, where can I find this? Or, do you have this product?
Practicing these words can help you feel more confident in real situations.
Especially if you travel or live in an English-speaking country.
Even small conversations at a store can help improve your English.
For example, asking for help in a supermarket.
Or talking to the cashier.
Every little conversation is practice.
Today we talked about a full trip to the supermarket.
From entering the store,
Choosing fruits and vegetables,
walking through the aisles.
and finally paying at the checkout.
We hope this conversation helped you learn useful English words.
And helped you practice listening to everyday English.
Thank you for spending time with us today on Chill English Channel.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please give the video a like.
And don't forget to subscribe for more relaxed English learning episodes.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
Yes, tell us in the comments.
What do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Do you have a favorite snack?
Maybe chocolate
Or chips?
or something healthy.
We would love to hear your answers.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep practicing your English.